Welcome back everyone. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to make cardstock to put inside of this cactus mold. So this cactus mold is about 4 inches tall. It comes from waxandcrafts.com. It's their Swirl Cactus Freshie mold. The one that I use is the chevron style, but I do believe that this plain cactus has the exact same dimensions. I'm not 100% sure though. I have one coming in the mail, and so I'll update in the comments once it gets here to make sure that it's the right size. So anyways, you'll need that mold, and then you will also need this cut file here from Etsy, and I will link both the mold and the cut file in the video description as well as in the comments. So once you have purchased the cut file, you're going to need to go over to Cricut Design Space. You're going to go to upload image, browse, and then you're going to find the file that you just downloaded. It's called Cacti Miscellaneous. Then I'm just going to click through until I see the one that I would like. I don't want the chevron. I think it's just full cactus. Yep. So you need the full cactus.svg. Don't choose any of the others. I like the SVG file. So then you can rename it whatever you would like so that it's easy to find. You're going to say upload. Then you can click on it. You can click add to canvas. And then we're going to resize it so that it's the size that we need. So you need it 2.833. Make sure you click this lock button at first. 2.833, and then your height will automatically go to 4.4. So these are the dimensions that will give you this little bit of an edge around it. If you don't like seeing the Freshie through, then you could make those dimensions a little bit bigger. Personally, I like seeing the Freshie, so I haven't played around to find different dimensions, but you could if you wanted to. Now with this, you could go in and you could say that you want to do a print then cut and change it to be a pattern. So that is an option if you just want to do a patterned cactus. That's what a lot of my tutorials have been. Or another thing that's really popular is if you want to go in and upload an image. So you can say browse. I've already saved, and I think I deleted it actually, but I went ahead and uploaded a Highland cow image here. So you can upload whatever image you would like and say add to canvas, and you can actually play around with including that image on your cactus. Now it does get a little tricky because the cactus has such an interesting shape that it's easy for your pictures to get distorted. So it does take a lot of playing around with to get something that looks that gives you the look that you would like. So you'll just line up this cactus piece over it, making sure that there's enough extra space at the top and the bottom. Then you're going to select both of them, and you're going to come down to slice, and that's telling it that you want it to just cut where those two images meet. So then I can delete the extra space, and there's what's left. So that gives you a lot of ability to mess around with the different patterns and things that you're putting on that cactus. So any image that you find online, you could even do a family member, whatever you would like. It is fully customizable. So if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. I always try to answer as many as I can. And then I've also linked a Facebook support group as well if you want to come join our Freshie community. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys.